I start by placing a delicate wire frame of a mother and child over a small budding shrub. My partner and I carefully position it, ensuring the plant is centered. We give it a good soak, and as the greenery grows, it begins to fill the intricate wire mesh. After some careful shaping and the removal of the external guide frame, a stunning, lush sculpture of a mother cradling her baby is revealed, standing as a living testament to maternal love in the heart of the garden. Next, I set up a wire frame shaped like a sitting puppy over a potted plant. With regular watering and a bit of patience, the green leaves weave through the wire. Once I remove away the frame and add a glowing lantern to its mouth, the glow pooch is ready to light up the porch. I then move on to a pair of parrots. I place their frames over 2 shrubs and watch as they transform. With a quick shape and some spotlights, these parrots practically glow against the night sky. Now for something massive. A crane lowers a giant tiger wire frame over a series of hedges. As the plants grow into the frame, a fierce green tiger emerges, complete with glowing eyes that look incredible at dusk. In a smaller corner of the yard, I place frames for a rabbit and a turtle. They grow quickly, and with some decorative lights, they become a whimsical pair of glowing garden guardians. I shift into a seaside-inspired theme, starting with a large clamshell-shaped frame placed over a healthy rounded bush. As the greenery grows and fills the structure, I carefully shape it to reveal the smooth, curved form. At the center, I arrange a soft cluster of pink roses, creating a gentle contrast. From there, I move into a more modern concept, using a car-shaped frame set over a hedge. As it thickens, I refine the outline into a clean, streamlined silhouette. To complete the scene, I add a surrounding path of colorful pebbles, giving the impression of a stylized roadway. Returning to grander scales, a crane helps me position a massive peacock frame. As the greenery fills its feathers, the bird takes on a regal appearance, dominating the landscape with its lush, leafy plumage. I then work on an olive tree, placing several small birdhouse frames among its branches. After the foliage grows through, the tree is transformed into a living apartment complex for birds, complete with little feathered residents moving in. You should give it a try. I start by adding a playful twist to the garden, placing a giant crock-shaped frame over a prepared flower bed. As the plants grow through the structure, I guide and shape them to follow the contours, gradually revealing a bold, oversized shoe filled with color and texture. It feels lighthearted and unexpected, instantly drawing attention. Next, I move to a much larger form, a koi fish frame set over a cluster of shrubs. With steady growth and careful shaping, the greenery begins to suggest motion, as if the fish is gliding across the lawn. To close this sequence, I arrange a proposal-themed frame, where 2 figures take shape through living foliage, forming a quiet, expressive scene that feels both personal and symbolic. For the final stage, I focus on bold, recognizable forms that stand out in open space. I begin with a large heart-shaped frame placed in a clear field, allowing it to be seen from every angle. Through consistent care and shaping, the structure fills in, becoming a dense, unified shape that reads clearly even from a distance. It brings a sense of simplicity and meaning to the landscape. For the last piece, I guide a full-scale helicopter frame into position over a circular base. As the foliage grows and is shaped along the body and blades, the form becomes more defined. The result is a striking, unexpected structure that blends engineering-like precision with organic growth, closing the project on a dramatic note. I really enjoy both this process and result.